We present to you Guidant, an application that helps you see the world through AI. Did you know an estimated 62 million people live with vision impairment in India alone? This makes India a home to a third of the world's blind population. It is pretty evident that there is lack of awareness and poor access to eye care in India. One of the biggest challenges a visually impaired face is navigating their environment, recognizing objects and people, reading documents, bills, and notes. While there are a few existing solutions, including a white cane or a guide dog, they are either costly, inaccurate, or they require multiple applications to carry out common day-to-day activities. This makes it very difficult for the visually impaired in terms of money, accessibility, and organization.
This is where our solution, Guidant, can help make the lives of the visually impaired easier. We created a mobile application that helps them contextualize the world around them. Currently, our mobile application supports two key features: describe and read. Describe is a tool that will give you a description of your surrounding environment. All you have to do is point the camera in the desired location and click on the capture button. Our application will then speak what is in front of you. This is very useful in cases where sometimes the visually impaired cannot clearly see what is in front of them. Using Azure's cognitive services, we are able to provide a brief description that will help them understand their surroundings better. Read is a tool that will help you read any document or text. All you have to do is hover the camera over the document or text and click on the capture button. The phone will then read what is in the document or the text in front of you. This tool was also made using Azure's cognitive services, and it is particularly useful when the user cannot see small text or indistinguishable text clearly. We also have a voice command feature where instead of click navigation, the user can navigate via voice commands. We will now demo our application.
I can see a pile of books. I can see a laptop computer on a table. I can see a bottle of soda next to a laptop. I will now read what I can see. Cut. 2. Do. List. 1. Prepare. Demo. And documentation. 3. Open source contribution. 4. Read. TNT. I will now read what I can see. Dale Carnegie. How to win friends and influence people.
What is next for Guidant? Using Azure's cognitive services, there are a few more functionalities that we think would help. First would be a face emotion recognizer, using which the visually impaired can identify the emotions that the people sitting right in front of them are feeling. Secondly, a product scanner, using which they can find if a particular product is fresh or is past its expiry date. A medicine reader, which not only reads the medicine names but also provides information related to the medicine that a visually impaired person might usually find it difficult to access. And finally, support for multiple languages. We plan to introduce multilingual support for voice commands and speech. This would make it accessible to a larger number of people. This brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Good job.